Hi guys, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off with Stonebwoy, who has explained that the Ghana music industry is not getting the needed financial backing since potential investors lack understanding of how the industry runs. According to him, the big men seen around them are mostly for the fun of it. The music business is not convincing enough for them to put their money into it. Some of them do not even have any idea about the industry. Now, speaking on the subject of the increasing expectations they as artists have by Ghanaians to match up to Nigerian artists, he shared that he doesn't see pressure. What he sees is awareness. By that, they all have to go back to the drawing board and check what makes it happen. The pressure doesn't make anything happen. It does not solve anything. He continued to share that until we achieve what we want to achieve, we can pressure ourselves as much as we want. If we apply the pressure in the wrong direction, then we will not get any answer. But if we apply that pressure in the right direction, then we will achieve what we want and be happy. Ugh. I love that from him, and I think that it is true. The pressure is too much. It's okay. The pressure keeps getting worse as we see the Nigerians do better. But, I mean, we should calm down for our people. Let's just take a deep breath and calm down. But moving on, our very own Steve Harvey was trending on Twitter over the weekend for two incidents, one real and the other fake. For the first one, he seemingly fired his social media manager over a negative tweet regarding comedians. The person posted on his Twitter that people should name a comedian who they don't think is funny. Now, according to Steve, the post didn't make sense to him since he is all about motivation, and you really never know where people are on their journeys. And we have a video of him addressing this situation, so let's see it.
All right, I got to take some time to address this here. I came down here to get away, get in some nature, do some fishing. Somebody works for me on my Twitter, put a statement out that was totally negative. I got to take responsibility for it because they work for me. But the engagement was talking about name a comedian you don't think is funny. Why would I do something like that? That don't even make no damn sense. My whole brand is to be motivational, and I'm gonna turn around and say something like that. You don't know where these young people at in their career, man. They could be coming up with anything. I'm all about positivity. I would have never done nothing like that. I'm so pissed off right now, man. Talking about I was trying to get some engagement. Okay, be trying to get some employment too. My bad, y'all. Now I got to come on here and do something, doing a damn selfie. So
I mean, it's his serious accent, but like the way he addressed it is quite funny. But the second reason for him actually trending is because someone started a rumor that his wife, Marjorie Bridges, was allegedly seeking a divorce after she was reportedly caught having an extramarital affair with their chef and bodyguard. Now, Ned Nwoko, a Nigerian businessman who described himself as Harvey's friend, dispelled the cheating rumor, saying that the TV personality told him that they were false. This is what he put out. Fake news has been taken to new heights all over the world, and this is so unfortunate. We experience this practically every day. And so when we read about our friend Steve Harvey and his lovely wife having issues, we had to contact him, and he confirmed that he and his wife are very much okay, and it's all fake news and should be disregarded. The family is happy together, and we wish them all the best. And so that's it from Steve Harvey's side. He himself hasn't come out to, post anything, to say anything about it, but that was Ned Nwoko who, apparently called, and asked some one or two questions and shared this information to all of us. Now to my last story, Keke Palmer and her reported ex-boyfriend Darius Jackson may be on better terms now that they were seen hanging out together for the actress's birthday. So now on Saturday, the fitness instructor took to his Instagram live with Keke as they enjoyed some alcoholic beverages to commemorate her special day. In the live, Keke joked with Jackson about why he talks trash about Virgos, which is her astrological sign, and he responded, ending with, "My partner in crime is Virgo," which got people wondering, partner in crime, are they truly back together, or are they trying to work things out as co-parents? Now we have an excerpt from the live video, so let's see it.
Ding! Thank you for taking me out on my birthday, as always. You know, we're
I mean, I know I say it's not always my birthday, but you always do take me out. But I just thank you for making it special for my birthday. That's so sweet.
I took you out on your birthday for your birthday, and that's why we're out here on your birthday and having drinks on your birthday.
I love that you're starting to get it. It's birthday, my birthday. So tell them all the shit you was talking about Virgos, so they can eat your ass up.
Oh, okay. So let me go ahead and say one thing straight up about Virgos. Virgos don't believe the hype. They are one of the biggest spokesperson for themselves. But you
don't believe the hype, but you are really into the Virgo, though. So what are you talking about?
It's because my mom's a Virgo, my brother's a Virgo, my best friend's a Virgo, my grandma's a Virgo.
My partner is a Virgo. You see, this is why when people in love, they have issues, you don't say something. Because now they'll come back together and then they'll gang up against you because now you have become their enemy of progress. You people were putting think pieces out there on Twitter, on Instagram, sharing about why a man can talk about a woman's body, can a woman talk about a man's, what somebody should wear, what somebody... Now they are together on her birthday, having fun. That's about it for MX Breakz with me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget, everything entertainment and lifestyle. We at MX24, we've got you. So give us a follow at MX24GH. I'm out.